some propane in the door. He fills it from the propane tank. And he sets it down and tight. Okay. He says, you won't believe it. He said, that fella, the multi-millionaire. He was in fucking great big houses. Up in the hills. He was hunting every day for beaver and bison and all that. His wife gets the beaver skins and making coats for his beavers. And he did anything you could spend money on. You know, if you want to buy it, he's the man to go with. If you want to find somewhere, you can't go to him. We'll wait for him one day. You left it. Stayed further down. The advertising. All in the same day, automatically, and all that legal fees, you know, you get it all together, and your legal fees, $25. It's a set fee, $25. Okay? And you get all the bloody paperwork, and you get all that. It's like this. So he asked this fella,